Today I am going to be reviewing and I'm going to be talking about Deravite Women. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I am Victoria Vic. I have missed each and every one of you. Today I said to myself, why will I have this supplement? Why will I know this supplement? And I don't talk to you women, I don't talk to you people about it. Today I'm not just going to be talking to the women, I am also going to be talking to the men. This is the Deravite Women supplements. This is it. I have been using this product for a while. I've been using it. My elder sister, everyone I know around me have been using this supplement, the Deravite Women. With every channel review the right products, we are registered with CAC. We review the right products and also tell you the right products to use on your skin. Let's proceed with today's video. If this is your first time of joining, you are super welcome to my channel. I am Victoria Vic. Okay, today I am going to be reviewing and I'm going to be talking about Deravite Women. Yes, a lot of you must have come across this product, so I'm just going to break it down for you to know what this product does on the skin. If you want to glow your skin, I think this Deravite Women is something you should not joke with. Okay, what does Deravite Women do on the body? What it does is that it boosts your immune system, and apart from that, it also regulates monthly cycles. If you are experiencing irregular menstrual flow, you should consider getting this Deravite Women. It's something that I have been using for a while. Even this one I am showing you, I am using to do this, is finished. Look at it, it is finished. I have been using this supplement for a while, and this is the next one I bought. This is the next one I got for myself. Okay, what this does on the body is that it glows your skin. It also uniforms your skin and make you look really gorgeous. It make you look really outstanding. Deravite Women glows the skin. It glows your skin, make your skin look uniform. I am filming this video without filter. I am filming this video without makeup, apart from my signature lipstick, which you all are already used to by now, I assume. So Deravite Women is a supplement that you can use to, boost your immunity. You can also use it to, if you are experiencing irregular menstrual flow, you can use this product. This product will normalize your system. It will boost your immunity. It will also support healthy reproductive system. And apart from that, why I love this product is how it brightens your skin and also glows your skin. When you look at your skin and you feel really confident, you feel good, you feel awesome. And if you want your skin to glow, Deravite Women is the right supplement to use. It makes your skin look uniform. It glows your skin and make you look really gorgeous. You can see I am filming this video without makeup, just my signature lipstick. I've been using the supplement for a while. I also have friends who have been using it and can testify to the supplement. And the good news is we now sell all those products. We now have a store. With every channel have a store now, because oftentimes I have reviewed products that work and people ended up going to buy the fake ones. I said to myself, why will I be here and people are buying rubbish? People are buying fake things. I can get the original and sell it to your people. Okay, I hope that's okay. So I have a store now with every channel skincare brand, and also it is registered with CAC. Alright, so this is the Deravite Women supplement. What it does is it provides energy and vitality. It glows your skin. It also helps your menstrual cycles. You can see in this second one, like I said, I have used, I have used 2 cartons of it. I just got the next one. I've used these 2 cartons. I just got another one of it. In this capsule, you can see this one I just bought. I just started using them. I just started this thing. Let me show you. It is just, I've used only 4 out of it, right? Or 5. Okay, I've used 5 out of it. And this is it. This is it. You're going to start, once you start this 30 days capsule, you start from the beginning of the month. You're going to see where it is written day 1, day 2, and also when you want to when you are flowing during your menstrual flow, they have this one. This is 2 in 1. How to use this one is you start 2 days before your menstrual flow. Okay, you start it 2 days before your menstrual flow, and you're going to see where it is written day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. So this is how to use this Deravite Woman as a woman, and it's apart from making your skin glow, it also brightens the skin. It supports healthy reproductive system for a woman. If you're looking for a child, if you want your immune system to be strong, if you want to be able to look gorgeous without much creams, without using so much skin products on your skin, Deravite Women is something you should give a trial. Now, I have not forgotten my men, because men, you all hustle and bustle every day. So I have this. This is Deravite capsules. This Deravite capsule is very okay. It is very okay for men. It is so. This Deravite capsule is very okay for a man. If you want to brighten your skin, if you want to have a healthy immune system, if you want to look good, if you want to glow your skin, if you want to look nice as a man, please just stop looking at the money and just get these capsules for yourself. I tell you the truth that you will look really okay. You will love your skin. You will go out every day feeling great about yourself. You all know that looking good is a good business. You have to look good. You have to look good. You just have to look good, because at the end of the day, you're just going to have yourself forever, right? So I sell the supplement. If you want to get it, you can send me a DM. I assure you that you are only going to get the best, because when I was growing up, a lot of people scammed me, selling the wrong products to me, selling fake products to me, and I don't want that for you at all. And that is one of the reason why Victoria Fake channel is here. This is Deravite Men. This is Deravite capsules, multi minerals, iron, selenium supplement for men. If you want to glow your skin, Deravite Women glows the skin. Now, in conclusion, this supplement is very good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.